HJP, welcome to the channel. Now, I have a couple of different courses about a couple of different pedals, and it's about high time I did a course all about this. This is the Boss RC-505 Mark II. It's a phenomenal piece of kit, and it's made me 2 live albums and loads of live streams, and it's a hell of a lot of fun. I've had loads of requests basically to do a course about this, and I'm going to do it in 2 different ways. One, I'm going to do the course of how to use this thing, but then also the second half is how to use it like a singer-songwriter. The 505 Mark II is kind of different because it's a tabletop looper, and you've got those different buttons and you've got the sliders, but then how can you use it for songwriting, and also how can you use it live, especially if you've got a guitar in your hands. Now, if you're either on the Loop Academy or you've bought things like the RC-600 course, you know that's pretty in-depth, and this has the same brain. So we're going to go super deep on this, and I'm going to get to work on it pretty much straight away. I've already started. And I want to give you a huge discount. The course at the moment is still under construction, but you can buy the course now at a huge discount. And this time around, I'm doing something different. Underneath this video that you can only see on YouTube, there are 10 codes. Those codes can only be used once, and the first 10 people to use those codes are going to get a whopping 50% off the course. And if those codes have completely gone or been used up, then don't worry, I've got another code. This is going to give you 30% off while it's under construction, and the code is quite simply RC-505. Once the course is out, the 30% discount is going to go, and of course those 10 codes are going to go as people use them. Now, if you're on the Loop Academy, once that course goes live, it's available on Loop Academy as well, which you can access right now by just clicking the join button underneath. And on the channel, you can see courses, and that's where you can get access. You can also access it from school.com, so there's a link for that under this video as well. But for those who want to purchase the course and get a huge discount, of course, it's a lifetime membership. The first 10 people get 50% off, and after that it's 30% off whilst the course is under construction. But once the course goes live, which is going to be somewhere between mid to late January, all those discounts are going to disappear. This is also the perfect opportunity for you to put your questions in. As I'm building the course up, the structure of it is pretty much there, but if you've got specific things you want to talk about with this and how to control it, get those questions in the comment section below under this video. I have a lot of fun with this on the live streams, but there's so much it can do for so many different people. Now, as I said to you before, I created live streams and then made albums from those live streams, which is awesome. If you want to see the live stream where we did Looping My Brain Part 1, that's this live stream right here where I use this.